Hello guys, welcome to my channel Eat Data. So in my previous video we have watched like theoretical part, like what is ETL pipeline, what is Azure Data Factory, why we are using Azure Data Factory. So in this video I am going to give you one small demo creating an ETL pipeline using Azure Data Factory. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous video, so please watch that video and you can jump into this one. Okay guys, so at our first our agendas will be, I'll explain it to you. So at the first we need some storage account. Okay, we'll create that, and then inside that storage account we need one container. Okay, and then inside that container we'll store our files. Okay, store our file. So this will be our step number 1. We'll create storage account, and then create container, and then upload our file. Okay, and then step number 2. Okay, first let's discuss about our agenda, right? Agenda will be, will create a ETL pipeline using ADF. Okay, it will be like a hello world program, okay, for you guys, like a simple one, so you'll understand like this basic things. So here what we'll do is, so we'll copy the data from source and load the data into target, so there is no any transformation involved. Okay, any transformation involved. Yeah, so this is our agenda for today. So at the step 1 we need a storage account to store our file. Okay, and then we need to create a container, then we need to upload our files. Then step 2 for then we need to create a resource for Azure Data Factory, create, and then we'll create a pipeline, and inside that pipeline, so there will be a multiple activities, right? So we'll use which activity? That is copy activity. Okay, so these are the things we'll do, and then we'll run our ETL, and we'll check whether our target or destination got loaded or not. Okay, let's open I've already opened my Microsoft Azure. You need to sign in. If you don't have account, you need to sign in. You can understand that process. So without wasting time, so here I can see storage account, but if you in your this first home screen, right, if there is no storage account, then you can just click on create storage resource and storage account. Yeah, and then you need to create storage account over here. Storage account, you need to create subscription resource group. These are like I've been already using these things. So what will be our storage? Let's use Eat Data for ADF. Okay, next, advanced network. We won't be worrying about these things for now. Next. Okay, what happened? Now it's saying create. So it will take some time to deploy our this storage account. Meanwhile, okay guys, so we have created our storage account. So after that, okay, let's go to storage account, it for ADF. Now after that, we need to use to create a container, right, whatever we explained in this. So I already created the container, okay, it data container. So if you want to create, just click over here plus button container, just give your name. Yeah, that would be fine. After that, create, it will work. After that, inside the container, you need to upload the file, okay. I've already upload my file over here, so I'll show you how to create that. So you need to click on that, and then you need to browse the which file you want to upload. Check advanced, just provide the upload to folder over here, just provide source, okay. After that, yeah, it's already exist. So for now, just for demo, I'll show you movie.csv. Source is already there. Yeah, uploaded. So you can see, yeah, movies.cs.txt, right? So it got uploaded. So now we need to create a resource for our Azure data factory. So I'll create Azure data factory. Yeah, over here. Yeah, over here you can see, just click create data factory. Yeah, it's opening. So you need to use any one of it. You need to create that, okay. Name, yeah, data ADF. So we don't have to worry for now on these things, okay. Networking and git configuration, since we are not using that, so let's create it, okay. It will take some time for your deployment, okay. Submitting deployment, yeah. Okay, it's on progress, okay. Let's wait for some time, guys. Okay, it got successfully deployed. Now let's go to resource. Then after clicking on that, you just need to launch the studio, okay. Studio where you will be developing our ETL pipeline. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, so this is our home screen. So I'll explain you each and everything in this. Orchestrate, transform data, configuration, yes. So this is our home. This is author, monitor, manage, and learning center. So where we'll be doing our development is over here, okay. Author, yeah, let's go there. So since we are creating a pipeline to copy the data from source to target, so we'll be creating one, okay. So here is the three dot, you can see, just click new pipeline, okay. So let's keep it data pipeline, okay. Now will be, since we are just doing the copy, so inside pipeline there will be multiple activities, right. I explained you in the previous videos also. So we'll be using copy activity. You can just search for it, or you can go to move and transform, and then you can click, okay. See, you can see a lot other activities, right. HF function, data bricks, so using jar, Python, data analytics, and machine learning. So yeah, we'll come up to these things like one by one. For now, just create one ETL pipeline, okay. So for this you need a source sync. So for source also, what you need, like I told you in previous, we need a data set for source as well as our target, and then we need a linked service also. So over click on this new data set. So since we are using blob storage, just click on it, continue, binary file, right, okay, continue, and then binary file, okay, that's fine. So we need to create a new link service. You know, right? What does that mean? It data link service. Okay, fine, no issue. Okay, whatever name it is, so you need to use any one of the storage account. It for data ADF. Okay, now you can create it. So in creating. Okay, now after that you need to choose your storage container. So this is our file, like check.txt. Okay, so this will be our source data set. Similarly, we need to create it for our target as well. Target also same thing. If your target, it depends. Okay, so if you are using S3 or any one of Azure data lake storage or any other database MySQL, you need to choose accordingly. But for our simplicity, we are using this blob storage. Okay, let's click on blob, continue, binary file, continue, link service we already created. So this is our, now we can click on OK. If you see over here, okay, not here. If you see on our storage account, it data for ADF. Let's go to container. You can see, okay, let's open this. You can see only one folder, right? So inside that there is our content. So what we'll do is like we'll give one target, okay, target folder, and our target file name will be output.txt. Okay, click on OK. So target data set, then good. Now let's go to pipeline, let's go to source, choose our source data set, let's go to sync. Okay, I think that's all we need to configure for now. Okay, and like on next like other videos, I'll explain you like what are different type of activities, data flows and Power Query, everything. Okay, how to use that trigger. There are different kind of triggers, so how to use that and know in what scenarios what things you need to use. I'll show you some transformation using join, aggregate function, and then filter. Okay, we'll do that in later video, but for now we'll just understand. Okay, simple thing. Okay, I think we did all the things, so let's validate all. No error found. Okay, good. Now for your saving, whatever things you did, whatever development you did, to save it you need to publish. Okay, so click on publish. Yeah, publish. So it will say take some time. Yeah, I think, yeah, published, completed. So you can just debug it. Okay, you'll understand then, like, okay, debugging, loading over here, so it's output, it will open. Okay, status queue. Once it succeeded, then our there should be one target file should be created and one folder. Okay, it's now got succeeded. Now go to our container. See, before there was only one folder source. So before there was only one folder, now one new folder got created, target. So inside that, okay, that's cool. You know, it's created one our target file also. Let's see, okay, whether it's exactly copy the same content from our source or not. Yeah, yes, right. It exactly, you know, exactly it did it. Okay guys, that's all for today. So we just created one ETL pipeline using Azure Data Factory. So we covered what are the topic we covered: activity, that is one, copy data, pipelines, data set, link service. Okay, that's all for today. So in the upcoming video I'll try to cover like all the activities, different type of activities, and we'll be using different type of triggers and integration service, how to use that, I'll explain you each and every scenario. So for today only this pipeline. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share it to your friend. If you have any valuable feedback, so please give down in the comment box. So thank you for watching.